Happy Saturday, everyone. I am just leaving the post office. I came to drop some packages off for my wife and check the P.O. box. And I did have a couple of checks in there, so that's great. That's gonna get me almost halfway to my daily goal, even though I don't, my goal is based off of 5 business days, so this will help make up for basically not meeting any of the goals last week. So headed home, need to print some stickers for those bottles that I showed you yesterday from China, and then do some housework. So let's get going. All right, guys, I'm back at the home office. I've got the printer all set up with banner material, the GoPros set up and recording a time lapse. I just received this order via text. The customer had talked to me 2 months ago about it and texted me today and just said, hey, I'm ready to order that banner, and he emailed it to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it printed, trying to get that goal hit for today. They're usually pretty quick at paying. They also ordered 1,000 business cards, so I got those sent off to my outsourced supplier as well, so we can get those going. So that and the NCR guy paid me, so I made a little bit more to kind of get to my goal. So let's see how close I can get today. I did finish or started my personal errands. My sprinklers are not working, but I found the problem, so I gotta go get the part. So we'll get this banner printed, and then it's 4 o'clock, they close at 5, so gotta hurry and get that part once this banner's done. All right, the second attempt at printing the banner was successful. I got the GoPro out and did a time lapse, as you saw in the last clip, or during this clip, or maybe not at all. But one thing I wanted to show you on this banner real quick was that if you look at it, you can see little white dots. And the purpose for those dots is in Flexi, my RIP software. I can actually pre-program where the grommets are going to be, so it makes it really easy when placing the grommets to not have to guess. So I'll link down to my grommet press in the description below, and I'm going to get this cut on the keencut. I'm not going to show you a video on that because I've already gone over that, so you can watch that video with the card that pops up. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comment section. Gonna get a bit more work done, and then we'll see where we're at. Oh, I gotta print more stickers, so I'm gonna do that next before I cut the banner. So, gotta switch media. Oh yeah, look at that nice flare. All right, guys, we're gonna end this one in the car. I've got all the bottles from China in the back. Got the stickers printed. I'm going to drop these off. Their event is on Monday, and I don't do work on Sundays. So getting the bottles to them. I also printed some other stickers for a different customer, so we're going to drop those off as well. I also embroidered one sew out, or did a sew out for a t-shirt, so we'll get approval from the customer on that, and we'll go from there. But when I get home, I am not going to be doing any more work. So to recap the day, I did not meet my goal. I got 3/4 of the goal, so maybe not a full frowny face, but super close. But better luck on Monday. So have a good weekend, or I guess you're watching this past the weekend. So have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See ya!